Although at the time it felt grueling and impossible to recover from addiction, depression, anxiety, now I see it's the best thing that ever happened to me. It was the very thing that forced me to see how important my personality, my gifts, and my weaknesses were for my future. I learned that it's in the long, cumbersome, sometimes hopeless process that brings the transformation. I learned to trust that process, be patient with myself, and expect great things to come. And even when things got worse, I held on to that mustard seed of faith to keep me going. In my weakest moments and in my strongest moments, I'd always repeat, yes, there is hope, and yes, I can. Yes, there is hope, and yes, I can. Take animals, for example. Even when they're abused or neglected and have to go through the ever-changing climate of our world, they still keep an amazing attitude. They don't worry about tomorrow. They don't hold on to grudges. They don't carry heavy shame and guilt. Instead, they live in the moment. They forgive. They thrive even in the worst circumstances. And you know what? So can we. You never know what you're capable of until you're forced to, my friend. You'll never know how brave and smart and talented you are unless you try and try again and try again and try again and don't stop. So, dear friend, take it from these animals and my story. Love everyone always. Love yourself. Play often. Take courage and use your gifts. Now more than ever before, this world needs color and compassion, empathy, and most of all, you.